game. Drug deals and dark alleys, gangs that stretch to Cali. How about you travel with me back to my childhood? At a time that was good, best friends would stand and watch a beat down, served to the curb. Man, times were tough. My skin grew scarred and rough, growing up quick. Now that's the pics. I blame the game, but I take no shame in what I was trained. Yeah, that's right. Cause pimps pimp, players play. Well, that was yesterday, nowadays it's you. That makes my everything. I would trade anything to give you the proper things, whatever it be.
When I look in your eyes, I feel the pain. I know you gotta play the game, but all I want is you with me forever, baby.
Create new understanding with rhymes and rhythms, teaching them something, living life live. What we see through our eyes, whatever I try, I must be wise. But I have to apply all my time to find the perfect product. I know it seems like I'm ducking out on dates to make it to the studio. It's the only place where my words grow into actions. It isn't you, come on boo, let's be true to ourselves. Take a look out the window and become someone else. Just for a minute, think of the possibilities. Traveling the world to see the unseen. Take my hand and follow me, be with me, I'll be with you. I'm your baby, you're my boo. You're number one, I'm number two.
When I look in your eyes, I feel the